te whānau kua tai mai nei, tēnei rā, tēnei marama, tēnei wiki. You know, te reo paka, I understand you fellas had a big week this week. So, our whānau here, our rupu here is come to tautoko everybody here. Today, te mua tēnei rupu ko te oro kotai. Te oro kotai. Te oro kotai. Ko reira I runi tēnā. Ka mihi nui atu kia koutou. Kia ora. Kia ora.
Te This next song is pretty much the Māori styles of catching a fish. Back in the days when there was no rods, okay, it was just straight flats. Okay, so this next song, more than welcome to join in.
Kei kara tātou, all those of you that ain't doing nothing, feel like learning how to fish the old school styles, to maira, apina mai te ropu nei. Ka pai? Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to go fishing. Anybody know how to set a net?
Yep.
Cut. Okay, our first action today for casting out our net is Piua. Ka pai? Piua. I'm going to call out Tuarua, which is the other side. Tuarua. Our next call will be Kumia. Pull your fish in. Ka pai? Pull the net. Tuarua. Other side. Next one is Patua. Hit your fish. Okay. Tuarua. Other fish. Uriahi. Scale your fish. Okay. Scale the fish. Tuarua. Scale the fish. Scale the fish. Okay. Next one is sorry. The next one is kohia. Put it in the bag. Okay. Toro pa. Put it in the bag. Put it in the bag. Okay. Put it in the bag. Tuarua. Put it in the bag. Okay, whakawaha. Put it on your back. Put your bag on your back. Okay? Then I'm going to call out Huri here. Turn to the side. Sorry, Huri here, Whānau. Huri here. You turn to the side. And then when I say Hari ki tō kāinga, Hari tātou ki tō kāinga me te kai tō ika. Come on. So we're going to go through this. If any of you want to jump up there and join us, you're welcome. Feel free. Come on. Come on! Come on! Takaria! Tua! Toru! Pa! Are you on this? Tua! Kumia! Pull your fish in! Tuarua! Other side! Patua! Hit your fish! Tuarua! Unaki! Scale the fish! Scale the fish! Scale the fish! Tuarua! Scale the fish! Oh yeah! Put it in the bag. Put it in the bag. Hoorah! Got the bag. Waka-waha! On your back. Put it here. How did you do, guys? Top up, guys.
Good boy.
What's the fucking birthday?
Good job, boy. Good job.
Now, all we used that out there that was doing those actions, now know how to go Maori style fishing. Right. Okay, we've come to our last item of the day, which is our tānuma. As you can see, they're up the front, ready to show off what they've got in store for you guys next. Ko reira, iwi tērā, tēnā koutou mo tō koutou arua, e te whānei. Ko reira, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou katoa.
Tēnā rūpota.